Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Apple Watch Ultra 2. To begin, familiarize yourself with the device's physical buttons and touchscreen. The large, bright display is your primary interface for interacting with apps and notifications. You'll quickly learn to navigate Watch OS with simple taps, swipes, and the versatile digital crown. Understanding these fundamental interactions is key to unlocking the full potential of your advanced wearable device. Navigating your Ultra 2 is intuitive. The digital crown allows you to scroll through lists, zoom in on content, and return to the watch face with a press. The side button brings up your dock of recent apps and enables Apple Pay for quick transactions. Combine these with taps and swipes on the vibrant display to effortlessly move between apps, notifications, and various features, making every interaction seamless. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, can measure blood oxygen levels, and even take an electrocardiogram. With advanced GPS, it accurately tracks over 100 workout types, from running to swimming. You can also gain insights into your sleep patterns, including sleep stages, helping you understand and improve your overall recovery and well-being. Beyond the basics, the Ultra 2 offers incredible customization. Personalize your watch face with complications showing information at a glance. With cellular, you can make calls and stream music directly from your wrist, even without your iPhone nearby. For adventurers, the Depth app provides real-time water temperature and depth readings down to 40 meters, making it an essential tool for aquatic exploration. It's truly a powerful companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.